This is the aerial shot of the Whitsunday Island. Wow, look at that. So beautiful. The 74 Whitsunday Island lies between the northeast coast of Queensland, Australia. 2.5 oras lang to from Sydney via plane. The most popular islands are Whitsundays Island, Hamilton Island, Airlie Beach, Haymans Island, Daydream Island. The town of Airlie Beach on the mainland is the region's central hub. Fun facts tayo guys! First, most of the accommodation packages allow kids to stay and eat for free. Check out the details. Second, the famous Heart Reef is in Whitsundays, located at Hardy Reef. Third, only 8 of the islands are inhabited by the resorts. Fourth, gusto niyo rin bang mag-relocate sa Hamilton Island? It could be just possible. Did you know that the island is home to a primary school? 1,200 people lives there and 40 children attend school. The sand is 98.7 pure silica at Whitehaven Beach. Also, it is powdery soft. Look at that! It's so amazing! Best of all, the sand doesn't retain heat. Guests can comfortably walk along the shoreline without burning their feet.